In this video, I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step guide on how to earn money from Amazon KDP with just two platforms. There is a lot of money to earn from Amazon KDP, and in this video, I'm going to be revealing the two good strategies you'll be using to earn money. Don't worry, you will not be doing anything, no manual input, nothing, just following me step by step. Now, the first platform we are going to be using is ChatGPT. Now, this is the interface of ChatGPT. I'm already here because I've logged in. You can just put chatgpt.com and it will, once you register with your email, it will bring you to this platform. Now, when it brings you to this platform, what we'll be doing is we want ChatGPT to write us a book that will now go and publish in the other platform, Amazon KDP, in order to earn money. And it's very simple. Just tell the AI what to do and it gives you. Now we are going to be using this prompt here. I'm going to be putting the prompt in the video description so that you can actually copy it and use for yourself. Now you copy that prompt and you come here and put the prompt here, and then you click OK, and then when you click go, it will now start writing the book for it. Now start writing the book. Now let's look at the prompt. The prompt say you are a professional book writer and I need your help. That's you are telling the AI, I want to start publishing books on Amazon KDP and make money online. I want you to help me research a good and evergreen topic that will sell fast. You are going to do this in 3 steps. First, research the topic and bring well structured online for topic. When you are done, I will give you the next step. You are trying to, this is a prompt engineering. You are trying to tell the AI exactly what you want, but know that the next step will be to start writing the book from chapter 1 to chapter 2, and next step from chapter 3 to 4, and so on until we go to the conclusion. Do not sound like artificial intelligence, sound like a human with a human and conversational tone. Do not plagiarize, but you can research ideas from others. Now begin from steps chapter 1. Now we just copy it like this, and then we come back to, we just copy it like this, and then we come back to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is going to generate the video ideas. Once you generate the video ideas, you copy them, and then you go to your MS Word, and then you paste them, and then you tell the AI again. The AI is going to write from chapter 1, from the first step, writing the topic and others like that. And then when it's done, you are just for you to tell the AI go to the next step. In fact, the AI is going to ask you, should I go to the next step? You now go to the next step and write your book. When you write your book and you are done, you can now come here and then format the book, format it properly, put the heading, the heading is there, structure it properly, and convert it to a PDF. Very simple. Now if to convert it to a PDF is very simple. You come here, you click on save as, and then when you are about to save, then you now check this document here, what document. You just click it and then choose PDF and then save as PDF. The book is going to be saving as PDF, and then it's already appearing here. So you now come to this platform we call Amazon KDP. Of course, okay, I think it has been delaying, but it has come up. I don't know why my ChatGPT is delaying today, but it has come up, and this is how it is. You just do everything. Now when you are done with the book, you have formatted it, you have done everything, you can now come to this platform where we call kdp.amazon.com. kdp.amazon.com. I have an account here, almost 2 accounts, but I don't want to open any of them. I just want to show you the interface, how it looks. So we come here. Once you have logged into the account, it's going to show you create. Then you now click on create, and here you now start putting the title, putting all the information about your book. Now let me give you this tip. If you click on create, they ask you for the book description. If you don't have it, go to ChatGPT again and ask ChatGPT to write you a book description. If they're asking you for keywords, you don't have it, go to ChatGPT again and ask ChatGPT whatever the Amazon is asking you to give. Just tell them, just go to ChatGPT and get them. But then there's something I need to tell you. In Amazon, people go there to publish good books they wrote by themselves, but Amazon have a tag there. All right, the tag there, I don't want to enter here because when the video is going to take a lot of time. But if you want me to make a detailed video on how to publish book here, you can tell me in the comment section. See, there's a lot of money in Amazon. There is a lot of money in Amazon. Let's say you publish a book and that book is, let's say, $9, for example, and then let's say 10 people buy that book in a day. That's more than $100. Let's say you post a book and then 30 people buy it in a month. That's now if you now post consistently, because one of the best strategy to earn money in Amazon is post as many books as possible. You are not the one writing this book, so it takes lesser time. You can be posting one book a day. It's even possible. But there is a feature in Amazon that shows that if your book has an AI content, please notify Amazon. So you have to notify Amazon. If not, they will take down your page. If not, they will take down your account. And in Amazon, it's very legit. You have to verify with your BVN. You have to be verified with your identity card. You have to verify with something that they will know that this is the real person, because you are going to be earning a whole lot of money and you need to verify your account. Like I said, I don't want to come here because the video will take time and then the system will lag in and all of that. So if you want to start earning money by publishing books you did not write yourself, you can just go to chatgpt, generate your book, come to Amazon KDP, and also start publishing your books. Now let me give you a bonus tip. That book you generate, you can also publish it on other platforms. I'm going to be giving you other platforms that as well, but I already have a video of 20 good websites where you can publish your books and earn money. So you can publish one book in almost 20 websites, and then while the traffic is coming, they are buying your book, you are earning a whole lot of money. I've earned money from Amazon while I was in school before, and I know how it works, and that's why I'm teaching you these strategies. If you find any value with this video, please kindly help me subscribe to the video, like the video, and then I'll see you in the next one.